Most people don't manifest what they want, they manifest the exact opposite. They think they're attracting abundance but the bills pile up, they visualize love and feel even lonelier, they repeat affirmations and reality doesn't change. Here's the truth no one's telling you, you're not manifesting your desires, you're manifesting your emotional signature. And that's the problem, the invisible loop. Let me ask you something. Have you ever wanted something so badly but the harder you tried to manifest it, the more it slipped away? That's not failure, that's a reverse manifestation loop. You're not attracting your desires, you're attracting your awareness of not having them. And the universe doesn't respond to your words, it responds to your state. So if your mind is locked on what's missing, guess what gets mirrored back? Exactly, more lack, more chasing, more delay. How this happens to everyone. This isn't just happening to you, it happens to almost everyone. You've been conditioned to think you have to chase what you want, hustle, strive, want it badly enough, but that emotional pressure, the desire wrapped in fear, is the signal the universe responds to. You say, I want to manifest love, but your energy says, I don't believe I'm lovable. You say, I want financial freedom, but your nervous system is screaming, I'm still in survival. So you manifest the opposite, because energetically, that's who you're being. Identity flip, the instant fix. So how do you fix it? Instantly, you flip your identity, not your vision board, not your affirmations, your internal reference point. You stop asking, how do I get that version of me, and you start being them. Now, right now, there's a version of you already living the life you want. They're not chasing, they're not doubting, they're just being. So ask, how does that version of me feel right now? Safe, powerful, grounded? Then embody that. Let your body feel what they feel. Let your breath slow like theirs. Let your eyes soften. Let your mind get quiet, because once you align with that identity, everything begins shifting. Not in months, not in years. Now, activate the new signal. Here's a phrase that reprograms your frequency instantly. I'm tuning into the version of me who already has it. Say it. But don't just say it, mean it. Feel the room that version of you lives in. Feel how people treat them. Feel how they move, how they speak, how they rest. Because once your subconscious believes you are that version, reality follows like a shadow. This is how time collapses. This is how results appear from nowhere, not because you forced it, but because you finally stopped resisting the version of you who already knew it was done. The reality mirror. Here's what they never taught you. Reality is not solid. It's a mirror, a perfect, sensitive, immediate reflection of your internal pattern. It doesn't show you what you want, it shows you who you're being. You can't fool the mirror, you can only shift your signal, and when your signal changes, everything else bends to match it. That's not magic, that's law. So now you know, most people manifest the opposite because they're sending out a signal of lack, fear, and frustration. But not you, not anymore, because today, you stop chasing and start tuning in. And when you do, the universe stops running away and starts answering you, fast.